morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, as we have completed our chapter of lesson number 4, Food for Health. Today we are going to revise it. Okay, we will do revision of it. So first of all, before doing revision, let's read out the chapter first. Okay, reading करेंगे आज है हमारी रीडिंग एक्टिविटी दैट इज फूड फॉर हेल्थ चैप्टर नंबर 4 फूड फॉर हेल्थ लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लाइन we all need food to grow and stay healthy. We all need food to grow and stay healthy. Food gives us energy to play, work and do different activities. After that there is one heading given sources of food. All the food that we eat comes from two sources, that is plants and animals. Okay, the sources of food. The first one heading we have learned about sources of food. There are two mainly sources of food, that are plants and animals. Now after that there are three groups of food that we eat. Every day we eat three groups of food in a different quantity. Energy giving food, body-building food and protective food. Energy giving foods: rice, potatoes, butter, sugar, wheat, bread, all are all energy giving foods. They give us energy to work and play. After that, body-building food: grain, pulses, peas, milk, eggs, meat are all body-building foods. They make our bones and muscles strong. They help us to grow. After that, protective foods: fruits and vegetables gives us good health. They protect us from different diseases. They are called protective food. You can see the pictures of different food groups: the energy giving food, body building food and the protective food. Here is fact file given. A balanced meal contains all three of groups of food in the right quantity. You know what is our balanced meal? यानी हमारा बैलेंस खाना कौन सा होता है? जब हमें ये तीनों कैटेगरीज के फूड आइटम्स को हम अपने मील में ऐड करते हैं, कंटेन करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, वाटर एंड फाइबर रिच फूड. We must drink plenty of water and fiber rich food. Water helps us to digest the food that we eat. Fibers helps to throw out the undigested waste from the body. We should drink at about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day or daily. Okay, so water is also essential for our body. It helps us to digest our food. After that, we have written here one activity, that is the two examples of different food groups. Okay, then there is a new heading, that is need to cook food. What is there? Need to cook food. Cooking kills the germs present in the food. It makes the food easy to digest and tasty. So जो हम चीज़ें कुक करके खाते हैं उसको हम क्यों कुक करते हैं? That will become very easy to digest and it becomes very tasty. After that, we have written here cooked and eaten raw items. That are eaten raw means जो हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं ऐसे food items, और cooked मतलब जिसे हम पका के खाते हैं. After that, there is heading of vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So some people eat only plant products and milk products. They are called vegetarians. Some other people eat plant products, milk products along with eggs and meat. They are called non-vegetarians. Ova-vegetarians. There are also some people who are called ova-vegetarians. They eat only eggs but not dairy products. Dairy means milk products like paneer, curd, okay, milk. After that, spices are given here. Spices are the most important variable that contains that added flavor to our food, है ना? And it becomes very tasty through spices. So spices are added to the food to make it flavor. They make the food tasty and also color to it. After that, there is heading of meals eaten in a day. As I have told you, there are three major meals in a day, that are breakfast, lunch and dinner. So here at different times we eat three major meals in a day. That is, first one is breakfast. It is the first meal eaten in a day. We must never skip our breakfast. कभी भी ब्रेकफास्ट खाना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. ब्रेकफास्ट इज मस्ट essential for our body. After that, lunch. It is eaten in the afternoon. Okay, afternoon, that means after 12 o'clock we eat the lunch. After that, at last, dinner. It is the last meal of the day eaten at night. रात को खाया जाने वाला जो खाना होता है, that is called dinner. We must keep it very light because we will go to sleep after eating dinner, है ना. डिनर के बाद हम सोने जाते हैं, तो it must be in a very light or in a less quantity. After that, at last, we have learnt about golden eating habits. So in the golden eating habits, we have learned so many golden eating habits and good habits, good manners while we are eating our food. So what are these? Let's read one by one. To stay fit and healthy, you अगर आपको fit and healthy रहना है, so we must follow these golden rules. Rule number 1: wash your hand before and after your meals. Okay, wash hands before and after your meals. Eat fresh and clean food. Eat fresh and clean food. Number 3: eat food at fixed time in a day. As I have told you कि हमें हमेशा अपना एक टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए. We have to make one daily routine. After that, chew food properly and do not speak while eating. This is also most important golden rule. That is, do not speak while eating. Okay, जब भी हम खाना खाते हैं तब हमें बातें नहीं करना चाहिए. We should eat it very silently. After that, wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. यानी खाना बनाने से पहले और खाने से पहले हमें फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स को भी अच्छे से वॉश कर लेना चाहिए. Next one, do not overeat and do not waste food. This is very much important. Every day our parents, even our gurus told us that do not waste our food. हमें कभी भी खाना वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन्हें खाना ही नहीं मिलता, तो हमें कभी भी अपना खाना वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. जितना आपको चाहिए आप उतना प्लेट में लीजिए और उसको फिनिश कीजिए. यू शुड हैव टू फिनिश योर फूड इन अ राइट क्वांटिटी और इन अ डेली बेसिस. आफ्टर दैट, drink plenty of clean water. As I have told you, you have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So you should have to drink it. So it helps us to digest our food. And the last one, avoid eating junk food. You know what is junk food? Junk food, that food which do not give us any type of fiber, any type of protein, okay, any type of energy, nothing. Okay, हमें जो ऐसे फूड आइटम्स हैं जो हमें कुछ भी प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, ना एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं ना कुछ, है ना. और जंक फूड ऐसे फूड रहते हैं जो ऑलरेडी मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से बने हुए रखे हुए रहते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट वैल्यूएबल फॉर अस. लाइक मैगी, है ना. मैगी इज अ जंक फूड, सो वी शुड नॉट ईट मैगी. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट, लाइक अगर आपको बहुत मन हो रहा है मैगी खाने का, सो यू शुड ईट इन अ लेस क्वांटिटी. एंड डू नॉट डू लाइक दैट कि आप खाना छोड़ के और सिर्फ मैगी खा रहे हो. दैट इज नॉट अ गुड हैबिट. Okay, dear students, I hope you all have understood about this type of this lesson, that is lesson number 4, food for health. Here a granny says, give away the extra food to the needy and hungry people instead of wasting it. अगर आपके घर में खाना बच जाता है तो आप किसी ऐसे इंसान को सर्व करें जिन्हें उस खाने की ज़रूरत हो. Okay, so here we have learned so many things. After that, we have completed our exercise given on the page number 26 or 27. I hope you all have done your homework also, and even also we have written question and answers in the notebook. I hope you all have write it down in a good handwriting and completed your notebook. Okay, students, now what we are going to do? Let's see again all the points given on the blackboard which we have learned in this lesson. We have learned about sources of food, that are plants and animals. Then we have learned about 3 groups of food, that is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Then water is essential very much. Then need to cook food items, and then vegetarians and non-vegetarians along with ova vegetarians. And then spices. Spices are the flavors which added to make our food very tasty. Then meals eaten in a day, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. And at last, golden eating habits. Okay students, so here we have completed and also have done our revision of this lesson. So dear students, we have learned 4 lessons. Okay, the first one lesson is more about myself. The second lesson is my body. Then third lesson is types of family. And the fourth lesson is food for health. आई होप ये आप लोगों को ये चारों चैप्टर्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझे होंगे और इवन ऑल्सो यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर वर्क ऑफ दीज ऑल 4 lessons. So dear students, let's start a lesson number 5 of houses and houses. Okay, what we are going to start today, houses and houses. So I hope you all have done this. Houses and houses में क्या होता है? You have to see houses and houses. Now we will do one starter activity only. Then from tomorrow we will continue to read a new lesson and understand about it. Okay. So I am erasing all these points here. What is the given activity? The starter given activity is, in the lesson number 5, there is one starter activity given. Houses and houses. So in a houses and houses there is one activity, starter activity given. Circle the things which are needed to make a house. अगर house हमें बनाना है तो हमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So here are some things that are. So you can see what is this. These are bricks, यानी ईंटे. Okay. So ईंटे लगते हैं. Yes. So circle it. Circle the bricks. After that, what is in this? This is cement. So also circle it. After that, there is jacket. अगर हम घर बनाते हैं तो हम जैकेट का यूज करते हैं क्या? No. After that, there are different stones. पत्थर से रेती बनाई जाती है. So circle it also. After that, there is wood. वुड मतलब ये क्या है? लकड़ी. सो लकड़ी को भी सर्कल करेंगे. एंड देन देयर इज फीदर. फीदर बना हुआ है. सो फीदर जो है, फीदर को नहीं टिक करेंगे. एंड द लास्ट वन दैट इज कॉल्ड पेपर. तो पेपर भी हमें यूज नहीं होता while making a house. So here we have to circle only 4 things, that are bricks, cement and stones, and last one is wood. Okay, so these are the 4 things which we have to circle in our starter activity of lesson number 5, houses and houses. So dear students, from tomorrow we will start reading this chapter and understanding about it. What is in this chapter? We will learn so many things about our houses. Okay dear students, so today's homework for you all, you have to make a beautiful house and color it and send it into my WhatsApp number. So bye dear students, take care, have a nice day. We will meet again tomorrow.